Do you love your parrot and want to see it truly happy and healthy? Many parrot owners miss the subtle signs that their feathered friend needs attention. Today, ChirpyNest will guide you through 20 essential tips to ensure your parrot thrives physically, mentally, and emotionally. A safe and comfortable home is the foundation of a happy parrot. Choose a cage that is spacious enough for your parrot to stretch its wings fully. Place perches at different levels and include toys to stimulate their mind. Nutrition is critical. Feed your parrot a mix of pellets, fresh fruits, and vegetables. Avoid too many seeds. They're high in fat. Fresh water should always be available. Parrots are active creatures. Let your parrot fly safely indoors or provide space to climb and play. Exercise keeps them physically fit and mentally stimulated. Parrots are highly intelligent. Introduce puzzle toys, foraging toys, and new objects to keep their brain active. Rotate toys regularly to maintain interest. Parrots are social animals. Spend at least an hour daily interacting, talking, or playing with your parrot. Positive attention strengthens your bond. Regular grooming is essential. Trim nails safely, maintain beak health, and monitor feathers for damage. Some parrots enjoy gentle baths or misting. Learn your parrot's body language. Raised feathers, head tilts, and vocalizations indicate emotions. Understanding behavior helps prevent stress and aggression. Keep your home parrot safe. Avoid toxic plants, fumes, or open water. Ensure windows and doors are secure when your parrot is out. Parrots thrive on consistency. Feed, play, and sleep on a regular schedule to reduce stress and anxiety. Adequate sleep is crucial. Parrots need 10 to 12 hours of uninterrupted sleep in a dark, quiet environment. Consider a cage cover at night. Schedule regular visits to an avian vet. Routine checkups help detect illness early and ensure your parrot's vaccinations and health are up to date. Stress can cause health issues. Avoid sudden loud noises, overcrowded spaces, or aggressive handling. Calm and gentle interaction keeps your parrot relaxed. Some foods are dangerous. Chocolate, caffeine, avocado, and alcohol can be fatal. Always research before feeding something new. Parrots love water. Regular misting or shallow baths maintain feather health. Maintain humidity to prevent dry skin and feather issues. Training provides mental stimulation. Simple tricks like stepping up or waving help your parrot stay sharp and build trust. Bond through music, talking, and shared playtime. Parrots enjoy mimicking sounds and interacting during daily routines. Parrots may bite or scream if stressed. Respond calmly, avoid punishment, and identify triggers to correct behavior. Parrots' needs change with seasons. Adjust diet, humidity, and outdoor exposure according to weather changes to keep them healthy. If introducing other parrots, do it slowly. Proper socialization prevents stress, fights, and builds safe friendships. Finally, a happy parrot sings, dances, plays, and preens frequently. Watching these behaviors ensures your feathered friend is thriving physically, mentally, and emotionally. Subscribe for more parrot video.